Welcome to Buddha's Path. Learn and practice Buddhism. If you think karma is some invisible scoreboard in the sky, rewarding the good and punishing the bad, this video may surprise you. Because karma is not a curse, it's not fate, and it's not a magical punishment system waiting to strike you when you make a mistake. Karma, in the Buddha's teaching, is much simpler and much more practical than most people imagine. Let's explain karma in a way you can actually use in daily life. First, what does karma really mean? In Buddhism, karma means intentional action. The key word is intention. In Pali, the Buddha described this as cetina, which simply means the intention behind what you do, say, and even think. So karma isn't just what happens to you. Karma is what you create through your intentions, moment by moment. That means karma isn't mainly about some future life that feels far away. Karma is happening right now, shaping your mind, shaping your habits, shaping the direction of your life, today. Now let's clear up a few misunderstandings. Many people think karma means, if something bad happens to me, I must have deserved it. But the Buddha never taught karma as a tool to blame people. If we use karma like that, it becomes cruel. It makes us hard-hearted. It turns spirituality into judgment. Karma is not meant to shame you. Karma is meant to wake you up. Some people also think karma means fate. My life is fixed because of my past karma. But if karma were fate, practice would be pointless. Meditation would be pointless. Kindness would be pointless. The Buddha taught the opposite, that you have power. Not total control over everything, but real power where it matters most, your mind and your choices. So here's a simple way to understand karma. Karma is like planting seeds. Your intentions are seeds. Your actions are the planting. And your experiences, the way you feel inside, the way your life unfolds, are the results that grow over time. Now, notice something important. A seed doesn't become a tree instantly, and karma doesn't always show results immediately. Sometimes you plant anger, and you see the result right away. Your body gets tense. Your words become sharp. Your relationships suffer. And sometimes the result comes later. But either way, you're planting. Every day. Every conversation, every thought you repeat. So how does karma work in daily life, right now? Let's use a simple example, speech. Imagine two people have the same stressful day. Both come home tired. Person A walks in and says harshly, "Why is this place a mess? Nobody cares about me." Person B walks in and says, "I had a rough day. I'm feeling stressed. Can we talk calmly?" Same stress, different intention, different karma. The first person plants seeds of conflict and distance. Even if they didn't mean to hurt anyone, the intention had irritation and blame. That intention shapes their tone, their face, their energy, and it creates a response. The second person plants seeds of honesty and care. The intention is not perfect, but it's mindful. And that creates a different response, more understanding, more softness. This is karma in real time, not a cosmic punishment, a cause and effect process starting in the mind. Now let's talk about thoughts. Many people don't realize that Buddhism treats thoughts as part of karma too, because thoughts shape the mind. Consider jealousy. You see someone succeeding, maybe a friend, maybe a coworker, and a jealous thought appears. Why them? What about me? That thought feels small, maybe harmless. But if you feed it, it becomes a habit. And habits become a personality, and personality shapes your life. Jealousy creates a mind that can't rest. It makes you compare, worry, tighten, and judge. Even if nobody else sees it, you feel it, you carry it. Now consider compassion. You see the same person succeeding, and you practice a different thought. May they be well. May I learn from them. May I grow too. That thought also becomes a habit. And that habit becomes a peaceful mind. This is why karma is connected to suffering and happiness, because karma shapes the quality of the mind you live in. If you repeatedly plant anger, you live in an angry mind. If you repeatedly plant kindness, you live in a kind mind. and the mind you live in becomes your world. Now, Buddhism often talks about 3 roots of unwholesome karma: anger, greed, and ignorance. Let's keep these simple. Anger is the energy that wants to push away. Greed is the energy that wants to grab. Ignorance is the blindness that doesn't see clearly, especially not seeing how your actions affect your own mind and others. When you speak from anger, you might win a moment, but you plant suffering. When you act from greed, you might gain something, but you plant fear of losing. When you live from ignorance, you repeat patterns without understanding why you suffer. And the good news is, the Buddha also taught the path to plant better seeds. So how do you create good karma in a simple, practical way? Start with the easiest place: intention. Before you speak, pause for one breath and ask, what is my intention right now? Is it to hurt? Is it to prove I'm right? Is it to punish? Is it to impress? Or is it to understand, to heal? To be honest without cruelty? To choose peace? That one breath is powerful, because karma begins right there, in the moment you choose. Next, practice karma through small daily habits. People imagine karma as grand acts, donating huge amounts, doing big ceremonies, making dramatic sacrifices. But most of your karma is ordinary. It's the tone you use with your family. It's whether you listen or interrupt. It's whether you gossip or stay silent. It's whether you scroll and numb out, or take 5 minutes to breathe and come back to yourself. It's whether you respond to stress with harshness or with awareness. These small choices shape your mind more than you realize. Now, let's make it even more practical. Here are 3 simple ways to build good karma today. First, mindful speech. Before you speak, ask, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Is this the right time? You don't have to be perfect, just a little more mindful than yesterday. Second, compassion in the mind. When you notice jealousy, resentment, or judgment, don't panic. Just notice, suffering is here. Then gently practice a new seed. May I be free from this tightness. May they be well. May I choose a wiser response. Third, small acts of generosity. Generosity isn't only money. It's giving attention, giving patience, giving forgiveness, giving someone the benefit of the doubt. Every time you give without demanding repayment, you loosen the grip of greed in the heart. And that is powerful karma. Now you may wonder, what about painful things that happen in life? Buddhism doesn't deny that life includes hardship. Some things come from many causes: your health, society, other people's actions, unexpected events. Karma is not the only cause of everything. But karma is the part you can work with right now. Because even when you cannot control what happens, you can train how you meet it. And that is where freedom begins. So if karma is not fate, what is it? Karma is your training. It's the ongoing practice of shaping your life through intention, moment by moment. And the most beautiful part is this: no matter what you've done in the past, you can begin again right now with one breath, one kind word, one honest apology, one moment of mindfulness, one decision to not repeat the old pattern. This is how karma becomes hope. Not fear, not superstition, not blame. Just a clear path, cause and effect, understood with wisdom, lived with compassion. So today, choose one small seed you want to plant. Maybe it's patience, maybe it's kinder speech, maybe it's letting go of one harsh thought. Plant it gently and keep planting. Because little by little, the mind changes. And when the mind changes, life changes. Like, share and subscribe to Buddha's Path. Learn and practice Buddhism.